good morning, happy people. Welcome to Deer Meat for Dinner headquarters. We got Jerry Wolf.
What's going on, everyone?
We're going to Guyana today. This is one of the most exciting trips of my entire life. The last time I was in Guyana was about 13 years ago. We're going to the headwaters of the Rewa River, which is about the farthest you can possibly get outside of civilization. We're gonna be looking for Arapaima. Are you kidding me? And all kinds of amazing jungle fish. We're gonna be hanging out with the Amerindians and just showing you that life. This is some of the stuff we're gonna be bringing. This here is my Bear Kodiak Magnum recurve. Everyone's got your passports?
Yep.
Did we bring a camera? I got a GoPro. Did you bring a camera, Oz?
I brought a couple cameras.
Oh my gosh, folks. We've got way too much stuff, but you can't use it if you leave it at the house. Trip to Guyana starts right when?
Now. Now.
What do you know? As usual, we have way too much gear. But the problem is, if we go without this much gear, then we're gonna wind up needing something. I'll be irritated, then Crocker will be mad at me. That's just the way it is.
Okay, so that's the heavy one, and then the starfish.
Well, we've been messing with Rob the whole time, and he's showing his TSA pre-check line with no one there.
Interesting looking AC system here.
What's up, y'all?
Please remain seated.
We'd like to be the first to welcome you to Georgetown, where the local time is 11:15 p.m.
This right here for me is the most stressful part of the trip. This is the moment of truth. Did the bags make it? Is everything safe? Is everything here?
Oh, rods.
Oh.
Cameras. Yes. This is a huge shout out to Brito Masgrande. He loves all these pastries. This stuff has like a meat in it. And that right there is homemade lovin'. Welcome to the Car Lodge. We're here in Georgetown, Guyana. Got my man Kenneth. Got Jerry Wolf. I grew up with this joker.
It's on my to-do list to visit. Oh man, how are you? Oh man, look at this, man. Yo, I'm proud of you, man.
I'm proud of you. Look at you, bro.
Oh man, so cool. Really nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
I've been watching you, and I must say, you're gonna be catching fish when you're here, right? You're not gonna be throwing those fish back, man.
Maybe some of them.
I want to see you, you know,
of
slice
course.
and dice and cook up some.
1,000,000%. You know, I brought my knives. I'm ready to go.
Oh, cool, man. So it's really nice meeting you and your crew, everybody.
Jerry, come on over, man. This is Mr. Delvin.
Yes.
Great to meet you.
Yes, same here.
We're gonna go from this shop out into the marketplace. We got Delvin leading the way.
We are in the heart of Georgetown, and this is called Border Market. This is one of the special marketplace that we have here in Georgetown.
But are you saying Boda?
Border.
Border Market.
Border Market.
Okay.
Border Market is named after Joseph Border, who was a Dutch plantation owner.
Cool, man.
Right, so
Now, what's going on? Why is there so much activity right now?
because this actually right here, this is Rob Street right here, and this is actually a drive-through market. So you're gonna get to see farmers and vendors at the same time.
Okay, so what I want you to find me, I want to see the hottest pepper in the whole market.
So we're gonna be eating some wiri pepper then.
Yes. I want to see the hottest pepper in the whole market.
All right.
And he's gonna eat 2 of them.
Two.
No.
That's what he said.
I didn't say I wanted to eat. I didn't say I wanted to eat them. I said I wanted to see them. Then I want to see you eat them.
Oh, okay. This you're gonna get a taste of apricot and a mango. Yes, deer meat for dinner. Wow. How cool is that, bro?
Wow.
Yep. Very
that might
seasonal.
be the best fruit I've ever eaten in my whole life.
Oh man, and we just started. Let's have the cameraman taste it up too.
That's super good.
Right? You got a little bit of tanginess in there.
And what is this called?
This is called mommy.
Mommy?
Yeah, you got
Oh,
it.
mommy, I love you.
Yeah.
That is the best fruit I've ever had in my whole life with that.
Very seasonal fruit too. So
We will take some of that on the river with us. Thanks, yo. You're not just tasting fruit, you're tasting culture. Oh, that's it. That's a ladyfinger banana back home is what we call it.
Yep.
That is amazing.
we call it the sweet fig.
The sweet
And
fig?
that has natural honey. Sweet fig banana.
We're gonna need 5 boats, because one boat's just gonna carry our fruit.
Yeah,
Wow. If you ever come to Georgetown, you must come down and just walk through the market. Everyone is so friendly, very little horn honking, and just,
the best place to be.
that's right. Here?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Nadira, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thanks, big guy. Yeah.
Yes,
Let me throw this. Thank you. You guys, what a blessing this is.
Yeah, man.
You guys ever wondered what turmeric looks like? That's turmeric in its natural state. What's going on, my brother?
Get and see it. This is the most famous Borman on the marketplace in Guyana.
Good, 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 good.
This is Robert Arrington, and very famous YouTuber. So he's here showing off Border Market for us.
Nice.
It'll leave cook up.
Yeah, man.
The chicken foot inside too, huh?
He's saying it'll leave cook up with the chicken foot. Cook up is one of our national dish. Now, the real fishman is here. So you're gonna get to see some amazing stuff here. That's going on.
Corvina. Yeah, as I say, look like speckled trout.
The hustle and bustle of our marketplace. You
Jerry.
get another snack. You get like 2
I
more
got your
snacks in
fishing
here.
shorts, dude.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Jerry, come on, man. Okay, so that's an egg ball. You've got cassava wrapped around a boiled egg
Yep.
and deep fried. Tastes like it's got curry in it. Just in case you were wondering, this man was born with a knife in his hand.
Good to go.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right. And this is how we do this, Kenneth. No straws.
Yeah, man.
Right?
Oh, no straw.
Edit, no straw.
Except for me. With the little straw. I use my pinkies on it.
Yeah, man.
Hey, man,
All right.
what an amazing trip, dude.
Yeah, man. Thank you so much. And love what you're doing, man.
So do you have a YouTube channel that we can promote?
Yes, Backyard Cafe Guyana, and
Backyard Cafe Guyana.
that's it.
There will be links in the description below, but I'm telling you right now, I have learned a lifetime worth of knowledge just cruising around the market with you today, man, and it's really cool to spend time with you.
Yeah, man. Thank you so much for that. You and
His
your
smile
crew,
is
amazing.
infectious.
Amazing, man. Thank you so much, Rob. Really appreciate it.
You guys, it's been a long time in the coming. It's been about 13 years since I've been to Rewa. But that adventure, it begins right now. This is called tight quarters, y'all.
You guys didn't eat all those beans for breakfast, did you?
Maybe we did, maybe we didn't.
I guess we'll figure it out shortly.
Morning once again, everybody. My name is Ken. I'll be taking you guys to Kaieteur and then over to Apatari. Flight time to Kaieteur is just about 1 hour and 5 minutes. We have some beautiful weather today. But just kindly fasten your seatbelts for me, please. We also have some safety information brief regards to the seat pocket of the seat in front of you. Just go through them, get acquainted with the emergency exits and equipment on board. Alright, everybody okay?
Everything's fine.
Alright, perfect.
So you can just push that forward a little bit there. Oh. We'll see you on the backside.
Yeah, bro. See you,
My man.
See you,
Hey, who you giving a shout out to?
Shout out to my wife, my child, my daughter, Ashina.
Oh,
We look at the
that's-
program all the time.
Wife, girlfriend.
Big up to everybody who look at the program. It's a good, I encourage people to look at the program.
We'll see you guys.
That's one over one adventure.
Whenever I go fishing, I always say, if the motor starts, it's gonna be a good day. Gonna be a good day, y'all. Are you kidding me? Dude. So whenever I planned this trip, I worked with a company called Wilderness Explorers. Kenneth is actually a part of Wilderness Explorers. And I told them the first thing I wanted to see was Kaieteur Falls. I was here 14 years ago, and it was one of the most miraculous things I've ever seen. I really wanted to come back. Now we're here.
How many people do you get that are filming?
Oh, it feels so good down here. Look at this. Wow. Wow. This is so miraculous. I mean, to be standing here, this should be like one of the wonders of the world. It's just mind-blowing. Guyana is known as the land of many waters. To start our trip here at Kaieteur Falls is just, it's absolutely breathtaking. This is, in my opinion, the single most beautiful thing I've ever seen in the woods or in the wild. It's amazing what you can see just sitting here, looking at all the swifts. These birds are just swirling up there, and in the afternoon they come down, they dive behind the waterfall and nest behind the waterfall. But then just sitting here looking out across this huge gorge, you can see a caiman down there, then you can see a bunch of howler monkeys in the tops of those trees. If you come down to Guyana, make sure you bring some binoculars. These are burris. I've been using burris for years. They're very crispy. They got nice contrast and you can pick the animals out well. All right, you guys, next stop, baby. We are headed to Apatery. We have hit this perfect, absolutely perfect. The water is down, all the fish are going to be concentrated in the river and in the grass ponds. Is that the first time you ever landed on grass?
I've never done anything like that, ever. What?
Hey. How are you?
I'm good. Good to see you. Robin.
Oh my God! How are you, Robin? You remember me from way back?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, it's so
Welcome
good.
back.
Wow. Man, I can't believe this.
Good to have you back.
It is so nice to see you, my friend, man.
It's incredible.
What do you like?
You guys, things have just gotten totally real. Rovin, who I fished with 13 years ago, was the first person I saw when I got off the plane. We got everything loaded in the John boat, and we've got about an hour boat ride to Rewa. The only thing in the world missing in my life right now is my wife and kids. If I had my wife and kids here right now, this would be the most perfect place in the entire world. I guarantee you I bring them all here. We've been riding up the Rupununi River now for about 1 hour. We're gonna turn left and head up the Rewa River, where we're gonna go to the Rewa Eco Lodge.
Robert, welcome back. Everyone, welcome to Rewa Lodge.
Thank you. So nice to meet you. I'm Robert. Hey, my friend, how are you? Thank you so much. All of these plants here, they look like they've been trimmed up or eaten by caterpillars, but these leaves have all been eaten or cut up by leaf cutter ants. And if you look close, I don't know where it is, but the ants, they cut these all off, and then they literally carry them far, far away to their nest. Just like when we were kids, man.
No, man. No, this is nothing like when we were kids.
Right.
When we're cracking jokes and throwing lip baits and top water plugs at fish, then it's gonna be like we were kids.
Right. We're going for a little trek down the river. I saw this spot that's all rocky down here, and it looks like there's a big bunch of current there. So, hey, we're gonna. Oh, I just got my feet wet. Well, that's not good. I just broke my rod and about broke my arm. Dadgummit. Good thing I brought 2 of these, because this one is now only half size. All right, so this is getting harder and harder and harder, because now the lure that's on my right side is firmly jammed into my hip. I got a pair of pliers here. I got to get myself unhooked.
Like fleshy hook or closed hook?
Like fully hooked. I got a broken rod and I'm fully hooked.
Oh God.
Hold this GoPro.
Do we call that I win?
No,
you lose by default. You lose by default.
This hook is jammed into my hip. That hook is fully in me. Daggum.
It only gets better. It's not in me and I'm wincing for you. I know how bad that hurts. I was trout fishing up in Fort Pierce.
Hold on.
And
okay, this is the one that's in me right here. God!
oh God.
It's in there so hard.
cut the shaft of the lure off. So you still have enough meat of the hook to grab.
Got it. Dang, if you're gonna be stupid, you better be tough.
That's the truth.
When I fell, I was like, dang it, I broke my rod. But then when I stood up, I'm like, what is burning on my side? I'm like, oh, it's that hook jammed into me. That's another good reason to always carry some pliers. These are Manleys. Just stick them down there and you got them. Just in case you fall, break a rod, and jam a hook in your leg.
You got my good side?
Yeah, I got your good side.
That's a trick question. I have no good side.
All right, so I've got to give Sarah a big shout out right now. She's like, you better take this antibiotic cream down there in case you hook yourself. I'm like, babe, I'm not gonna hook myself. Yeah, day one. Where's that cream at? You're better with these than me.
What, the GoPro?
That camera, yeah.
Are we filming a video?
Well, I mean, I just got like the best video yet.
Oh.
Deer meat jams hook into himself while breaking rod, walking down remote river.
All right.
Here the boys. Just when you think it can't get any better, they bring us to the honey hole.
Where's the top water frog at?
I'm gonna have to start wearing like cleats or something, folks. All right, we're good, we're good. No broken rods. Only thing I got hung was my shirt. I don't know if this is a canoe or an airboat. Either way, we're in a tricky situation, y'all.
As this is how you know they haven't taken anybody back here recently.
Yeah. Yeah. Clearly there's not been much boat traffic. Throw that rat lure up there. Come on, baby, please stay on here. He's coming right to us. Fish is right here under us. Come on, baby, stay on here. Dear Lord, please, please. This has been 13 years in the making, you guys. Wow. can you come get down right in the water? See him breathe? Okay, here we go. This is the fish that literally saved a community. This is the Arapaima right here in Guyana. That's the largest scaled freshwater fish on earth. This is just a baby, you guys. It's not even a monster. This man right here is a savant. This man, years and years and years ago, he and all the elders of his village believed in saving that fish right there, the Arapaima. They knew that if you saved that fish, that fish would turn around and save your community, man.
Welcome aboard.
I'm so honored to come here and fish. Whenever he told me that this was only a fly fishing opportunity, I was very mentally let down because I'm not a good fly fisherman. I was like, I'm never gonna do this. So all day, this morning I had one that was just massive. It felt like someone hit my line with dynamite. And then I missed 2 others. But then when this one hit, I felt, when I set the hook, I felt it. And if you come down here to Guyana, wilderness explorers, look for them because they will be able to set you up a trip that's ideal for you. I'm never at a loss for words, but today I'm at a loss for words. You know what they say? I ought to just throw you in. Hey, you guys, I love you very much. I thank you so much for making this dream a reality. If it weren't for all of you subscribing to my channel, liking my videos and commenting and being such support to me, I would never have the opportunity to do this. So when I do this, I always say, to God be the glory. Thank you so much, Lord, for the blessings. Thank all of you so much for inspiring me to always be my best. I wanted to give up like 20 times today and just say, heck with it. But I kept going and kept going and kept going. And eventually, I got it done. Now, let's go catch something to eat because you can't eat a picture.